At Edison Pointe, we set out to create a community in a prime location 7 miles to I-4 and I-95 with easy access to everyday conveniences, all at an incredible value. You won't have to sacrifice space or location to stay within your budget. We are a CDD-free community, and our monthly HOA includes exterior maintenance, landscaping, irrigation, and a dog park. Plus, all appliances, even your washer and dryer, are included. Our location is unbeatable. You will be tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the area, but still only 4 miles to world-famous Daytona Beach. It's the best of both worlds. Relax and unplug with your toes in the sand, or take advantage of 23 miles of unspoiled shoreline, home to outdoor adventures like kayaking, fishing, and paddleboarding. Check out Blaine O'Neill Park just across the street from the community. This expansive park boasts a walking path around a 3-acre lake, a playground, and picnic areas. It's the perfect spot for family fun. Our homes are built the way you live. Our open concept floor plans feature a spacious kitchen for all your cooking needs, perfect for keeping you connected with your guests. You'll have plenty of storage space in your garage, and you will love the private outdoor area with a covered lanai to take advantage of indoor-outdoor living. Buying a new home can feel overwhelming. At Ryan Homes, we make it easy for you with our in-house lender and streamlined purchase process so you can focus on the fun part, building your new home. We keep you involved during construction with weekly progress updates, pictures, and videos. We will be here along the way to answer any questions you may have, and you will be a part of the Ryan Homes family for years to come.